Today I am going to explain you exercise 2.4 9th standard NCERT. In that fifth question factorize, and previous two questions I already explained in previous videos. So let us start with third. So here we have cubic polynomial, and as we know they are not mentioned the method by which method to factorize, but by splitting middle term we can't factorize this. So we have to use factor theorem to find at least one of the factor. So let us start. So factors of 20, that is constant term, you have to list plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 5, plus or minus 10, plus or minus 20. And if you are trying to find all the factors of this cubic polynomial using factor theorem, it takes time because you have to check for all these numbers, or you have to check till you will get what 3 factors, because degree is 3, so you will get 3 factors. So it takes time. So instead of that, just we will find one factor, and after that we will use division method to find remaining 2 factors. So let x be equals to plus 1. If x be equals to plus 1, your factor will be what? Remember, the factor will be x minus 1, because x indicates the zeros and zeros will give the factor. So put x equals to 1 in given polynomial, that is p of x cube. So this is a polynomial. So wherever there is x, you have to put plus 1. If you put plus 1 and you are getting answer as 0, it means what? This is factor. If it is not so, you have to go for next. So put here plus 1, that is value of x. 1 cube plus 13 into 1 square plus 32 into 1 plus 20. So as you can see, 1 cube is 1, 13, and 1 square is 1, 13 plus 32 plus 20. And you can see this will not be equals to 0. So x equals to plus 1. This is what 0 is. We have considered this as 0, but it is not. So therefore x minus 1 is not factor. So now let us put x equals to minus 1. So if you put x equals to minus 1, your factor will be x plus 1, because we take this minus 1 with x, because factor theorem says that x minus a is a factor. So this a will take that side, it will be plus 1. So p of x will be, wherever there is x, you have to put minus 1. So minus 1 cube plus 13 minus 1 square plus 32 minus 1 plus 20. So minus 1 cube is minus 1 plus 13, and minus 1 square is plus 1. Plus 1 into 13 is 13. 32 and the 32. Plus minus will be minus plus 20. Here you can see this minus and minus will be plus, that is 33, and will give the sign of bigger digit. 13 plus 20 is plus 33, and this is clearly equals to 0. Therefore at this value x equals to minus 1, your polynomial is 0. It means what? This will give you the factor. Therefore x plus 1 is factor of given polynomial in x. So we will find remaining factor by dividing this factor with this polynomial. So let us divide. This is our given polynomial, cubic polynomial, and this is factor. So you know division method, we have to get x cube here using this x. So x into how much will be x cube? X square. That into you have to write here. So then you have to multiply this quotient with these terms in the divisor. So x into x square is x cube plus 1 into x square is x square. And just change the sign of second row, minus, and this will plus will be minus. Plus x cube minus x cube will be 0. Here plus 13 minus x minus 1. So 13 minus 1 is 12 x square, and sign of bigger digit, that is plus. Then you have to take these two remaining down as it is. Next you have to get 12x square from this x. So, and both are having, here we have plus sign and here we have plus sign, so don't think about the sign. So we have to multiply this with x to get x square, and to get 12 you have to multiply with 12x plus, so x into 12x is 12x square, 1 into 12x is 12x. Next, change the sign. This plus will be minus, plus will be minus. So plus 12x square minus x square will get cancelled. 32x minus 12x will be 2, 0, 3 minus 1 is 2, and here x, sign a bigger digit, that is plus. Next, take this 20 as it is. Next, you have to eliminate this 20x. So already we have x here, just we have to multiply this with 20. And as all signs are plus, so don't think about the sign of quotient and divisor. So 20 into x is 20x, or you can say that x into 20 is 20x, plus 1 into 20 is 20. Change the sign of second row. 20x minus 20x will be 0, plus 20 minus 20 will be 0. So you can verify whether your method is right or wrong, calculation is right or wrong, by observing this remainder. As remainder is 0, it means what? Your division is correct, and these two will be the factor, because as we know, dividend equals to divisor into quotient, and these two will be the factor plus remainder. If remainder is 0 means what? These two are factors. So therefore here we have x square plus 12x plus 20, and we are going to calculate the remaining two factors from this. So x square plus 12x plus 20. As I told you, quotient of this and constant, that multiplication you have to take. 120 is at 20. So you have to find all the factors of 20. So that you will get what? Adjustment with middle term. 1 into 20 is 20. 1 plus 20 is 21, not matching. 20 minus 1 is 19, not matching. So go for x factors. 2 tens are 20. If you add these two, you will get 12x. So you have to choose these two factors. This is factorization by splitting middle term. This you can use only for quadratic polynomial. So degree, choose the quadratic polynomial. So first term as it is, plus, here we have plus sign, and by adding we will get this 12x. So 2x plus 10x. You can take here 10x, there 2x, no problem. Finally we will get the same factors. Plus 20 will be as it is. Now we have 4 terms, so we have to make pairs of common. So here we have xx common, so make pair, here pair. So x is common, x will be here, remaining x inside the bracket, plus x is there, x will go there, 2 will remain. Here 10 and 20, 10 is common, so x will remain, 10 2s are 20. So see here you will get same brackets. If you have chosen these factors correctly and here your adjustment is correct, then you will get same factor. So x plus 2 is common, so x plus 10 will remain in the bracket. So as we know, x plus 1 is a factor of p of x. This is one factor, and remaining are these two factors. Therefore x plus 1, x plus 2 and x plus 10 are factors of given polynomial in x. So we can write this as x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20 will be equals to product of these three factors. Here, after watching this video, once again we have to solve the same example along with my explanation, then only you will understand this. You should not ignore this division method, because in 10th standard same concept is there. So, and during lockdown period, don't ignore your studies, don't avoid, because it will be useful after lockdown, because your teacher will not get sufficient time to teach you. So do study, at least try to understand the methods.